Hello, welcome to number 3 in our frequently asked questions series of videos. Today we are focusing on what you need to know about our romantic and quirky gypsy caravan. A special place just for two with views to die for, a real escape to the country. Felicity, is it a romantic spot?
It's a lovely secluded spot on the edge of the farmyard where you can relax and unwind with your loved one, toast marshmallows round the fire pit, listen to the bleating of the sheep and wake up naturally to the sound of birdsong.
Is it authentic?
We believe our gypsy caravan is about 100 years old, but we've lovingly restored it with some lovely artwork in traditional style, and we've added a few mod cons along the way, including Wi-Fi, phone charging and LED lighting.
And what are the sleeping arrangements?
There is a double pull-out bed, a platform bed for two, so that's easily put away, so there's plenty of space in the daytime.
Okay, and what's the cost of staying in the gypsy caravan?
The first night is £85 and then it's £75 a night thereafter, and it's for up to 2 people.
Okay, and what's included in that price?
Included in the price is the wonderful, amazing views with some sheep and cows thrown in. Also a warm duvet and blanket so you can keep nice and toasty, pillows, etc. We've got bath towels for the bathroom, which is up in the farmyard. There's a local welcome pack of Peak District goodies, including home baked biscuits and bread, and there's tea and coffee for your arrival so you can have a nice drink and refresh yourself. We have got washing up liquid, dishwasher tablets. No, we haven't.
No, you haven't got a dishwasher.
The dishwasher,
That would be dreaming a little.
You have to do it yourself. And everything you need for washing up in the farmyard. And there's maps and walking routes, etc. And we've got lots of local knowledge to send you on some lovely days out.
And is there anywhere to cook?
There's a fire pit outside, and we give you a fire pit pack of kindling and sticks and matches so you can get started. So bring something easy along. There's nothing better than local sausage cooked over the fire pit.
And what happens if it's raining? Where do we cook then?
If it's raining, there is a little kitchenette in the shop, so there's a microwave, a toaster and a kettle to keep you going.
Okay. Bathroom facilities, most important.
Yep, just a step across the farmyard, there's a luxurious bathroom with underfloor heating, plenty of space and everything you need. There's a light outside which comes automatically on in the night so you don't stumble along.
And how far is it to the bathroom?
It's about 50 metres, not far at all.
Okay. And will we be warm?
Yes, you'll be warm and cosy. The caravan is off the floor, so unlike a tent, you're not sleeping on the damp ground, and it's a little bit insulated, so you'll be warm and cosy. And we also provide hot water bottles, so don't fear, you'll be warm.
Okay. And is it waterproof?
Yep, we've had the canvas restored, and it's got a new roof, and it's all waterproof, no drips like you get sometimes in a tent.
Okay. So what do we need to bring with us?
You need to bring your wellies and your walking things, outdoor stuff, and perhaps a hat in winter. A book or two to read. There is a couple of books in the caravan already and some playing cards to keep you occupied, and perhaps why not bring your guitar?
Very good. What a good idea. You mentioned a shop. What's stocked in the shop?
We stock some lovely local produce from the butchers. There's sausage, bacon, oatcake, black pudding, our own free range eggs so you can have a nice fry up in the morning. There's also the most amazing delicious Jersey ice cream from Cold Eaton, very popular. You have to be careful to make sure David's not eating it all, because that's what happens.
And what time can we check in?
You can check in anytime from 3 to 6 p.m, later by arrangement, and then check out the following day is 10 o'clock. Again, if there's nobody coming into the caravan the following day, you may be able to have a later checkout, so do check with us first.
Okay, and is it suitable for everybody?
There are steps up into the caravan, and again you have to climb up into the platform bed, so you have to be a little bit nimble. So suitable for most people, but bear in mind you do have to climb into bed. It's quite tight on space in some ways, so it's not suitable for children or dogs.
And is the bed big enough for somebody who's really tall?
Oh, if you're over 6 foot, the bed is actually 6 foot long, so you may find it a little bit tight, but we have had a chap who was 6'3" who slept in it no trouble at all.
Okay, I think that's just about it. So that's the end of our frequently asked questions on the Gypsy Caravan. So there'll be another one coming along in the series very shortly. If you've got any other questions or any comments, you can just post below this video or email us at info@hoegrangeholidays.co.uk.
In the meantime, I'll just sit here in this lovely, quirky, cosy space and admire my favourite view.